Legends, welcome back to the channel. John here, and if you haven't seen the video on this car on the channel yet, please check it out. It's up in the top corner now. This video then is just a quick walk around video at the house of the owner. It's pre-purchase. This is just me having a quick look around the car. Right, looking then at the passenger side, looking nice and good. We've got this nice plush velour interior in brown. This is a 1.5, this car. It's an SE. And you can see I'm pointing out in this video the problems, a little bit of rust around the sunroof there. Driver's side then, looking all good, a little bit of wear on that bolster. These seats really could do with a clean, checking it out. 40-odd thousand miles on the clock. Not bad going, and obviously we've got the Wabasto top slider 2 handle there, which normally gets broken off. Looking in the boot, looking in the bonnet as well. And this car is part of a 6-car collection that I've brokered a deal to buy. This is the vendor. She's pointing out all these bits and pieces that I've got in the boot, all these parts, brake pads, brake discs, floor mats, headlights, etc. They all came with the deal. And the reason for doing this video, it's a quick 3-minute video. If you haven't seen the other video and you haven't got time to watch the sort of 12-minute full review, this is a quick walk around video just showing you the car on the drive before I've purchased it. K-Reg 1993 in this beautiful rainforesty sort of Java green colour. Not original wheel trims on there, but whilst having a look, well, there's my fat face. Let's have a look in the passenger side. We can see that this needs a little bit of a clean in there, and that we've got a little bit of a problem with the old rust in the wheel arches. And that sill could do with a little bit of a TLC as well. That boot liner then is in the passenger side. That's not a major issue. One thing that does let the car down is them rust spots, especially the ones on the roof. That is the thing that, to me, is the killer. Overall then, not a bad car. Looking in the engine bay, it needs a little bit of TLC. We've got that Magma 12-valve engine, the Mitsubishi engine. Here's just me having a quick look under here, having a look at it, needing a little bit of TLC. As I say, I have bought 5 other cars as part of this collection. They'll all be hitting the channel soon. If you haven't already, please check the videos out. Loads of Proton content on there for you to enjoy. That's it then, nearly the end of the video. Just a quick look around the car, and it has been shined up nicely by the owner pre-purchase. There's a few things I've noticed that will need doing, but ultimately, yeah, I've ended up buying this car. This is me looking at it before I've bought it, but I ended up buying it and the other 5. They'll all be on the channel. Until next time, if you've enjoyed the video, please give us a like and a thumbs up. Yeah, there's the worst bit, isn't it? Need some love there. If you've not followed me already, it's John Coupland, all one word. I'm on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook and the TikTok. And I'll leave you with this beautiful view of the badges and the rear of this beautiful Proton 1.5 SE. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Take care. Thanks for watching. More to come. More Proton content on the way. Goodbye. We'll be looking at that white one next. There it is with the white one.